நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
People about it. More than 10 million people are doing this and they are enjoying the benefit of this. What is oil pulling and what are the benefits of it? During the day, we eat, drink, smoke, actively, passively, it's a one-way traffic. But when we go to sleep at night, that is the time our pulse rate comes down and that is the time our body is relaxed. During that time, the process of digestion takes place and the solids and the liquids, they get channelized. But the toxins which are there, they come and get collected in the cavities in our mouth. And that is the reason at times when we get up in the morning, we find bitterness in our mouth. God has designed our body system in such a beautiful way, scientific way, that it gives enough signals before we have health problem. 3 to 5 days in advance, you will find the bitterness developing in your mouth and you will also have a thick white coating on your tongue. Why white coating on your tongue is? Because the tongue contains the taste buds. So nature is giving an indication, slow down on eating of the food. But we go in a mechanical way. And when we are going in a mechanical way, we ignore the symptoms and go only what quantity is available to us. And in the process, we keep on creating the burden on our system. And because of that prolonged burden, we continue to have the health problems. How do we do oil pulling? In oil pulling, we take 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, what we are using at home, take it in our mouth and use it as a mouthwash. Just rotate it in the mouth, not as a throat gargle, but as a mouthwash. Do it for 3 to 5 minutes initially, and then you can gradually increase it up to 20 minutes. After doing for 3 to 5 minutes, when you spit it out, it will become like a white froth, it will become like white milkish thing. The oil has got diluted and got converted into whitish substance. That is the amount of toxins what we carry in our mouth. If we really want to know the effects of these toxins, is if you collect the early morning saliva into a container or a beaker and keep it and smell that after 10 minutes, it is so bitter that your nostrils will get blocked completely. And by chance, if you just left it unattended, if a bird or a cat comes and licks it, within 48 hours they can die. This is the amount of toxins which are there in our mouth. It is also mentioned in Mahabharata also that in case early morning saliva which is there in our mouth and we take some food grains and keep it in our mouth and mix it with the food of the enemy, that is like a slow poison. That is the amount of toxicity which is there in our mouth early morning. And oil pulling helps to clear such toxins which are harmful for us. There is an argument that people say, we do the brushing to do the toxins. Do you really know how to effectively do the brushing and cleanse your mouth? First compromise that we do when we get up late is on brushing. We just do a fast movement and finish off the activity of brushing without effectively cleaning it. Oil pulling helps to clear it completely. What are the effects of oil pulling? People who have bad breath, bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, headaches, asthma, thyroid problem. When we were discussing thyroid, I mentioned about it. People who have thyroid problem, ear problems, eyes problem, if they do it, they can see immediate result of oil pulling. And especially for the people who have bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, bad breath, sinus problem, they can see the result within a month of this. And if it is done regularly, it can give everlasting effect and it can also help to boost up and improve your immunity for fighting off various diseases. You can use any oil, but if you ask me, the preferred oil is sesame oil. And with sesame oil, the effect is much better. Initially, some people they find it a little difficult to do it for 20 minutes, but you can start doing it for 3 to 5 minutes, and gradually you can extend it to 20 minutes. Why 20 minutes? Because one circulation of blood cycle in our body is 20 minutes. So any activity what we are doing for exercise, ideally that should be also in multiples of 20 minutes. For instance, if you are going for walking, do it in multiples of 20 minutes. Swimming, multiples of 20 minutes. Going to the gym, do it in multiples of 20 minutes, so that we are enhancing the entire energy cycle completely. What's the difference between a God and a man? God gives